Before age 40, there are only two types of people: those who built multiple income streams, and those still trading time for money. Because here's the truth: if you rely on just one income in today's world, you're one problem away from being broke. In this video, I'll show you the 6 income streams you need before 40, if you actually want financial freedom. Most people grow up believing one job is enough, but that system is outdated. Jobs are no longer secure. Prices are rising, and your salary, it barely keeps up. The wealthy don't rely on one income. They build systems that pay them, even when they sleep. The 6 income streams. 1. Active income, your foundation. This is your job or main hustle. It's where most people stop, but it should only be your starting point. Use this income to fund everything else. 2. Side hustle income. This is where your freedom begins. A side hustle turns your spare time into extra money. It could be freelancing, content creation, or selling online. This is how you break out of the paycheck trap. 3. Investment income. This is where money starts working for you. Stocks, index funds, ETFs. You invest once and let time do the heavy lifting. This is how people quietly build wealth over years. 4. Passive income. This is the dream. Money without constant effort. Think rental income, digital products, or automated businesses. You build it once, and it keeps paying you. 5. Business income. This is where real wealth is created. Owning a business gives you control and unlimited earning potential. This is how the rich scale their income. 6. Asset income. Assets pay you. Liabilities cost you. Owning assets like real estate, stocks, or royalties means money flows to you consistently. This is how wealth becomes permanent. Why most people fail. Most people never build these income streams because they wait, they overthink, they stay comfortable. But time is the one thing you can't afford to waste. The earlier you start, the easier it becomes. If you want to be financially free before 40, you don't need luck. You need strategy. Start with one extra income stream, then build another and another, because one day, those streams will replace your job completely. And when that happens, you don't just earn money, you own your time.